Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, September 17th, 2020. You guessed it, boys and girls. This is Miss Jones. I will be covering your reading class for a couple of days. Boys and girls, I'm going to go over your assignment that you will be completing today for Thursday. Boys and girls, today you will be watching a video, a biography about Rosa Parks. After you finish watching the video, you will complete comprehension questions. Boys and girls, some things to think about when you're watching your video. One, make sure that you're taking notes and you're actively listening to what they're presenting to you. Two, you need to ensure that you're completing your questions in complete sentences. So no short answers. I need a complete sentence with capitalization and punctuation. I'm going to share my screen and I will show you your Schoology course and where your assignments will be. So you're going to go to your Schoology course and you are going to go to week 5. Let me start from the beginning. So you'll go to week 5, and from week 5, you're going to go to Thursday, which is today, the 17th. Inside, you have the recording that you're watching now, and then you're going to go to your daily activity folder. Inside of that folder, you will see your Rosa Parks video, and then you also have your questions here. When you click your assignment, your questions are here, and you will place your answers in the comment section here. I'm sorry. Yes, you will place your answers in the comment section. And I've also recorded the questions as well for those that may need to listen to the questions being read to them. You can click the audio recording and it will read the questions to you. You have 5 questions that you will complete in complete sentences. Remember, capitalization, punctuation, and making sure that your sentences sound correct. That is your assignment for today. So make sure that you watch the YouTube link and you also complete your 5 questions over Rosa Parks. I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.